Honestly.
Did you hear it? Beep. Just like that. Beep. Beep. What's the name of that? Misophonia? Okay. Let's talk about that. So the crunching is really annoying for him, like biting sounds, right? Or like chalk sounds. If I don't use a knife properly, like when you're cutting in a plate.
Oh, and it squeaks on the plate.
I hate that. There's just like a lot of sounds that you have issues with. I mean, for sure there's one coming from like right there, like next door house. And then there's one coming from this building for sure.
At night, when we open the window to go to bed, it's just like, it goes right in the window.
Which is this one?
So there are 3.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I think it's 4. But I think you could live with it and just get over it. No, I'm not telling you to get over it, but I think you could just like,
yeah.
But I think you could just like, if you embrace it, just let it be, I think you could move on.
I think that we can just like go find where it is. Like, we're neighbors, we should be able to be like, hey.
Yeah, I agree. We can do it if you want to.
Yeah. Yeah. It's locked.
I don't think there's anyone in there. Oh.
Hello? Hi. Sorry.
What's up?
Yeah. We're your neighbors. We live right back there.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Do you guys hear this fire alarm beeping that keeps going off?
No, not today.
Oh.
We've been hearing it the whole time we've been here.
Is it bothering you?
It's
It's driving us crazy. Or it's driving me crazy.
Yeah.
Definitely. I mean, I'm not gonna like break and enter to get to someone's house.
I have a question for you. I'm your neighbor. Have you been hearing the smoke alarm beeping sound? No? It's just like, it's been really loud and I can't sleep.
Yeah, let's go around.
Alguien que tiene como el smoke alarm, que no le activa, que hace como el pip. El de aquí, la 2. Okay, perfecto. Gracias. That guy said number 2 has an alarm. Oh.
He knew.
He knows that it's number 2. Yeah, it's number 2. There's 2 inside. What do you think we should do?
Should we just like write a note and then leave a battery? Like when the smoke alarm is dying and it goes beep, does it bother you?
No.
You don't care?
I've been in households where it just always says beep, beep, and I really got used to it.
Yeah. You see?
You can't get used to it?
I can't get used to it.
He's complaining to the neighbors. He's going around knocking doors.
It's driving you crazy?
He's complaining to the
You're gonna have to live with it, brother.
Can we just go in, though?
What does it say?
Dear neighbors, anyone approaching apartment number 5, if I do not know you, please do not disturb me. Do not knock. Do not talk to me. Nosy neighbors, I am allergic to you. Stay away from me.
What? I'm allergic to you? Okay, do not get closer. They have a camera.
They have 2 cameras.
Okay, there's something off.
I mean,
here.
they don't want us here.
Beep, beep, no. So what I keep getting from everyone is that people think that having the beep in your house means that your smoke alarm is on. That's working. Beeping is safe. Sí, que está como siempre, que no se va. No sé si lo has escuchado.
Ese no lo he escuchado mucho.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Wait, do you...
Sí, it doesn't beep in his house. Sí, y no le molesta mucho. No, okay.
But in this
Okay, Sam,
house.
I think it's enough.
Yeah?
It's good. Yeah. Perfecto. Muchas gracias.
Wait.
It's enough.
No.
Yeah, you're being rude.
If you,
Gracias.
if you hear the beep, can you change the battery? If I give you a battery, will you like change it so it stops the beep? Okay.
Picture right here.
Ah.
No.
Okay, we'll move along. Thank
Sorry,
you.
no. Okay.
We're moving.
No.
Okay.
You have to move, man.
We are.
Okay.
You have to move.
Okay.
We're moving.
Thank
right
you.
now. Thank you.
What, did that make you uncomfortable?
Clearly, you were making him uncomfortable.
Wait, but I didn't understand if he had a beep or if he didn't have a beep. I just heard a beep. Did you hear it?
Oh, yeah.
Have I unlocked Pandora's box? Like, now that I have heard this, I can never stop hearing it? That sounds like hell. I can't do that.
Maybe you need to talk to your therapist about it.
Did you hear it?
No? Careful, careful,
Yeah.
Sam.
Did you? Babe, I'm telling you.
Oh, there's one here. Okay, let's go. I think that's the cost of living here. If we want to be able to afford this, you're going to be in a street where there's no parking, that's full of trash, and there's beeps. Like, that's like, it's going to happen. That's the cost of it.
Should we just like print out some like signs that you stick in the yard and like go down the street and stick them in the yards and just like tape batteries to them and just say like, if your smoke alarm is beeping, take one of these batteries and change the battery and it will stop.
Sam, what are you talking about?
Well, if they don't understand that the beeping is the battery dying, then we're actually helping them. It's not like we're coming in and like
Do you think these
hurting
people
something.
want to be helped? Literally, when we talk about they don't care. Like,
That's-
I do understand that you want to help the neighbors not get their house in fire and just like, great, but
I
that's...
actually don't. I just want to be able to sleep.
Okay, you just want to sleep, I get it, but it's just like, also like, how long have you been in this neighborhood to like be like a person that has a right to complain about stuff? Do you it's like a bigger conversation. It's like when you travel to another country or you just do what people do there. You just don't want to come here and be like, hey, let's do the things how I do them.
Yeah, that's
It
true.
feels like we're taking over, and that's literally gentrification. I'm sorry, I'm not calling you a gentrifier.
No, but I'm actually literally a gentrifier.
Yes, we are. I'm also gentrifying.
So many people are, and
Yeah.
that's part of the problem is like, how do you live in this city and like make it without being a gentrifier? Like
Yeah.
every neighborhood you move to, except for like fucking Beverly Hills and Silver Lake, or Bel Air.
We're forced to become gentrifiers because we could not afford living in the neighborhood where
Right.
we were, I guess, supposed to be living or
Right.
whatever.
So then, we end up in these neighborhoods,
Yeah.
aware of the privilege, aware of being gentrifiers, and then what do you do?
Well, you adjust. I don't know. Like, it's not my neighborhood, you know? I just moved in.
I mean, if you want to drop it and you want to like leave it alone, then that's totally fine. We can do that.
Okay. I don't know.
I'm not the only one that is annoyed by it, though. How many people are annoyed by it? doing?
Sorry, just filming.
Wait, they're right there. You can see them.
Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien.
Los smoke detectors, las alarmas anti... ¿Es tu vecino?
Sí.
¿Quién es?
Sí, el vecino de allí.
¿Y por qué no lo cambia?
¿Ah?
¿Por qué no lo cambia?
Es que le vale verga. No le importa.
What?
He says that he doesn't care.
He doesn't mind. He
doesn't-
doesn't care. He doesn't give a fuck about nothing.
About the
That
sound.
shit is annoying, the noise.
Do you know who it is?
Yeah,
Should we
I
give him a battery?
Yeah.
Can we go and like...
Jorge. Jorge. Aquí viene el muchacho que vive en el apartamento ese.
Ah, el que tiene la...
Alarma.
¿La alarma? The guy that has the battery. ¿Podrías poner la batería en el fire alarm? ¿En el smoke alarm? Perfecto. Muchas gracias. ¿Llegas? Quítala aquí. Ay. There you go. Gracias.
Let's just see. Let's see
It
if
may
it
stop
stops.
now.
Because whenever you put the battery in and you reset it, I think it goes like beep, beep, beep. Somehow, it somehow doesn't feel good. It doesn't feel good. Because now I just feel like this whole building hates us, and I'm gonna get in bed tonight and I'm gonna feel guilty, and I'm just gonna lay in my shame.
No.
That's the 3 beeps that I was talking, that I thought would happen.
They fixed it. ¿Quieres salir a celebrar que ya no hay más bip? Que no hay más ruido.
Para que salga en el canal.
You see, he's friendly. He's cool. It's fine. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, good job. You did it.
Hola.
Ah, hi. Hola. ¿Cómo está el passion fruit? ¿Te salieron muchas?
Mira.
It's your passion fruit's huge. It's huge. It's doing
It's
super
insane.
well.
Look how, look how much it's growing.
You have so many.
Yeah, it's a lot of honey.
Wow.
Okay,
Look at
thank
us.
you.
We're getting all this passion fruit for free for complaining. Wait, te doy uno.
Uy. Dale. Right, thank you.
Okay, come on. Listen. It's incredible. Oh. No beeps at all. I heard 2. Yeah, it's fine. It's a million times better. Okay.